Hi everyone, now it's time to choose the winner. I honestly did not think I would reach 5,000 subs within a week, but I did, and I'm a little late doing this video. So I want to thank everyone, you're awesome. So now it's time to pick the winner. This video is going up today, which is Monday. I'm going to give the winner to the following Monday to answer, because that's when I'll be back, leaving Friday till Monday. But if they don't come forward by the next Monday, then we'll redraw again. I'm not going to contact anyone. They can contact me. But if you are chosen and you did win, you can send me an email. My email will be down in the description box, or you can text me or whatever and let me know your address. So, but your prize won't get shipped until I get back, because I'm making all the wax melts now, and when we get back that following Monday, your prize will get shipped that Tuesday. But I'll let you know. So anyway, I've got everybody's name written down on this list right here. If you can see it. I don't think you can. It's not going to focus. It's not going to focus. But anyway, I'll focus it on there till we see who wins. So, and my little Possum Marie sitting right here. So. Okay, number 17. And let me show you who that is. It is Miss Brazil. So, Miss Brazil, you have until the following Monday to contact me. If you come forward and contact me, I will start shipping out your prize when we get back, which will be the following Tuesday. That week will be Thanksgiving, so because I am making the wax melts now. Congratulations, and hopefully for long I can do another giveaway. Y'all are all awesome subs, and I really love and appreciate you all. So bye, y'all. And congratulations, Ms. Brazil.